How to change Telegram storage location. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily change Telegram storage location. So first thing, what you can do is just make sure your device contains a SD card before you proceed. Because if you do not have any SD card inside your mobile device, then the Telegram will be using your direct default internal storage. So let me just show you by an example. So just head over to your Telegram application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner. And once you're inside here, just tap on settings. So from over settings, click on this data and storage option. So here you should be seeing SD card option. Because I do not have any SD card inserted in my mobile device, I'm not being able to show you, so I'll just show you from an example. So if you have inserted your SD card, it should show you something like this storage path option. So just tap on it, and from over here, all you have to do is just change it from internal storage to SD card by simply tapping on this SD card button over here, and which will enable the SD card storage. And from now on, you will be your all of the files inside of Telegram will be saved directly to the SD card option. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.